Now that we've got some products in here, let's organize these into collections. Collections are basically categories for your products. Think of them like aisles in a store. Hiking gear, camping equipment, sale items. When a customer visits your store and clicks shop in the menu, they'll browse by collection. Without collections, all your products are just in one big pile. Setting these up now means our store will actually be organized when we start designing it. To view and create collections, click Collections on the left side under your Products menu. Here you can see Shopify already created one for you. This is your homepage collection, which controls which products show up on your homepage. You can add or remove products from here to curate what visitors see first. You can come back to this later when we design the homepage. For now, just know that it exists. To create a new collection, click Add Collection in the upper right. Give your collection a name. I'll create one called Hiking Gear. Then write a brief description of your collection. Just 1 to 2 sentences is fine. Next, you'll need to select a collection type. There are 2 types, manual and smart. A manual collection is one that you can select which products go into manually, whereas a smart collection allows you to add products automatically to it using rules like tags. The homepage collection that was created is a manual collection. It has just the first product you add to your store automatically added to it, and you can go in and add other products to it manually. To add products to a manual collection, you can click Browse, and then select products from your list, and click Add. You can remove them from your list by clicking the X next to them in the list. Now, I want to create a smart collection. We'll change the collection type to smart, and then let's add any products to this list that have the tag hiking. And you can see now it's automatically pulling in this waterproof trail running jacket and this alpine hiking backpack. Smart collections are great for when you add more products over time. That way you don't have to manually go in and add each new product to a collection. It just automatically gets pulled in if it meets the right conditions. Finally, scroll it to the upper right and add an image to your collection. You can add a file, drag or drop one, select one from your library, or even generate an image. Let's generate an image in this case. The sidekick says, describe your image. I'll say hiking gear. And click Send. And here it comes back with a beautiful generated image. We'll click Keep in the bottom right to use it. It'll get added to our library, and then we'll click Done to use it for our collection image. When you're done creating or updating your collection, click Save in the top bar.